Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I just want to continuously say thank you to everybody who's been supporting the channel, supporting the YouTube, supporting my TikTok, supporting the Patreon. We are at, 99 Patreons. And at 100, I did have my first goal at 100 Patreons to teach somebody how to trade, one-on-one. You guys will have me for like an hour, 2, 3 hours. I don't know how long it's going to take, right? I've never really taught anybody how to trade, or at least my style, right? I'll just provide you guys with everything, and then we'll kind of go from there. But like, again, super happy with the Patreon, super happy with YouTube, super happy with TikTok. And I just want to continuously say thank you to everybody, for supporting like the channel. Like I said, I'm still surprised that I have more than one subscriber, more than one follower or whatever. And I'm surprised that people actually are interested in what I have to say. So again, just super thankful to everybody, to all of my followers, everybody with consistently giving me support. And just to see a lot of people, like I said, I'm not a signal channel. I don't give you guys signals. I don't do any of that stuff. If you guys want to learn how to trade, join the Patreon. I definitely set you guys up with all of my indicators to make it extremely easy. And keep in mind, these are all personal settings that I've never shared with anybody. I only shared on my Patreon, and I was never going to share with anybody. I was actually debating on selling them, right? But due to everybody asking, I'm like, you know what? I'll make a Patreon, and whoever joins is gonna get everything, right? If they want to support the channel, great, because it definitely helps me, on the YouTube side, just to supporting everything. I guess this little thing that's going on. But again, I'm a new creator, no idea what I'm doing, just posting videos and see what happens and seeing what happens, man. But thank you everybody for the support. It's super awesome. We are at 99 Patrons. If we do get to 100, I will be teaching, somebody how to trade one-on-one. No questions asked. You guys have me for a couple of hours. I'll set you guys up with everything. We'll go through everything, and then we'll kind of go from, after that, you guys can always at me, feel free to ask me questions on Patreon. Also, I try to respond as quickly as possibly as I can. But again, just thank you to everybody. I still to this day cannot believe the support that I'm receiving from all the channels, everything. Super insane to really see such a big move in the last year, where I started posting videos just for kind of shits and giggles, and then it got super big, and then I was like, whoa, what the hell just happened, right? We're almost actually getting to the 1 year anniversary, where I posted my first video on TikTok in October or something. And I had no idea that it was gonna get the traction that it did. And then YouTube, and I wasn't even gonna make a YouTube. It's just people on TikTok were like, "Yo, you gotta make a YouTube. Like, we want to follow you on YouTube." And so I made a YouTube, and now that happened. And now people were saying, "Hey, start a Patreon." And like I said, I have never thought of any of these ideas, man. Like I said, I'm not very big on social media. I barely have an Instagram. I don't use Facebook. I don't use Twitter. I don't use Snapchat. Like, literally, my biggest social media effort is probably just Reddit, and that's it. And then obviously YouTube and TikTok and Patreon now and stuff. But other than that, most of the moves that I made are because of my supporters and my subscribers and the following. They're like, do this, and I'm like, all right, cool, let's try that out, see what happens. But again, thank you to everybody. Always appreciate the love, man. Super happy with all the support. And if you want to join the Patreon, thank you. If you do not, just keep watching my videos. Any little thing helps, really. Just commenting or even liking the video. You guys have no idea how big of a help that actually does to people creating videos on YouTube and stuff. The likes definitely help a lot. So if you have the time, just make sure to hit the like button on any video that I put out. If you do like it, you don't have to like it, right? But again, thank you. Have a great day, guys, and let's see where we are a year from now. I'll see you later. Bye bye.